In this video, you will see Caterham owners' cars on the Saturday of the 50th anniversary of Caterham weekend. Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. I didn't want to make a really long video of the weekend, and I thought it would be better to split them down into kind of smaller chunks, if you will. This video is showing the owners' cars on the Saturday of the 50th anniversary of Caterham weekend. I was also there on the Sunday, but there were less cars and a lot of the same cars from the Saturday, so I thought showing the Saturday would be best. It's great to see so many Caterhams all together in one place. And there are also cars from different countries. There were cars from Germany, Belgium, and even Switzerland. I've also released a video of the lap around Donington at the end of the day, which was really special. If you haven't seen that already, I'll leave a link in the description below. It was an experience that money can't buy, and I think the video turned out really well, so make sure that you check that out. And what a lovely view that is, just showing the curve of Caterham's there. It was really good. Like I said, I'm breaking these videos down into smaller chunks so I didn't make a really long video, and there will also be a video soon of a kind of general video of the weekend, including more of what was there and also including some crashes on the track. There were some cars with stickers of different events or tracks, for instance, that the owners had done. I think most people know that, well, I always like a sticker, and cars with stickers showing a history of what they have done I think are absolutely brilliant. I know some people prefer a cleaner look, but this is just something that I personally just really like to see. I just like seeing cars being used, really, I suppose, as well. The best thing about Caterhams are that they're so individual and everyone has their own idea of what their perfect Caterham would be. I know Fern, for instance, isn't to everyone's taste, but I obviously think that she looks great. Definitely not perfect, and I would also like to make some more changes, but that's in the future. But the best thing is that they're also individual. It was lovely to see lots of conversations in the car park of owners talking about their cars. It was great to hear lots of stories and also to see lots of clever hacks or mods done by the owners, which make you think, what a great idea that is. We all know how basic Caterhams are, but sometimes adding the smallest thing, say for instance a good phone holder, can make a massive difference. I've been talking for a lot, so here are the rest of the Caterhams, and I have a challenge for you at the end.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that
there were a lot of cars from Germany, which was brilliant to see. I wonder how many days it took on their road trip to get here. I also bet that they've got some great memories of their trip and had lots of fun as well at the same time.
I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Here are some cars from Belgium. If you are one of the owners that came from different countries, it would be great to hear from you in the comments below. How many days did it take you to come over here, and share some of your memories would be brilliant.
The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
And here is a car from Switzerland. How many Caterhams did you count in the car park? Let me know in the comments section below. If you are liking my videos, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and keep making memories with your cars.
As you fade away,